Good morning. Welcome back. I'm happy to have you. Next up today is the MS261 No Start. Let's get it on the bench. Good morning and welcome back to my workbench. Today we have the Stihl MS261 Chainsaw. This is a 50cc professional saw. The customer says it won't start. This is the non-Mtronic version. So first, I'll just give it a quick visual look over. Plastics, handles, just looking for anything broken. Chain is too loose. Chain brake is working. Chain catcher is intact. The chain is sharp. Visually, everything checks out here. I'll just give his fuel a check, make sure there's fuel in it, make sure there's not water in it, and then we'll go over and try to start it. There's lots of fuel in it. Just take a little fuel sample here just so I can see the color of it. I don't see any water, just little specks of dirt, which is normal. The color looks fine. Actually smells not too bad either. I'm just going to retension this chain. Okay, let's go over by the door and see if we can get this thing to start. I'll meet you over there. Okay, so the saw pulls over really easy because it has a decompression valve. No pop, no nothing, no sign of wanting to start, but I can smell fuel. So we're gonna investigate a little bit here. Let's take the top cover off and we'll have a peek at the air filter and the spark plug. Air filter looks like new. The plug is dry. Before I go any deeper, I'm going to put a new plug in this. It's rare that would be the problem, but you never know until you try. BPMR 7A, NGK. Gap to 20 thou. I have never seen a new NGK come out of the box not gap properly. Let's go over and try one more time. So you've seen this saw start up for me after a few pulls and give a puff of blue smoke, and it cleared itself out. It starts easy. It runs excellent. New spark plug. I'll probably let this saw sit for the day. Maybe tomorrow morning I'll start it again just to make sure everything's okay before I let it go. So the case is closed on the Stihl MS261. That was an easy one. Some of them are easy, some of them aren't. We have lots of saws to work on, so let's get on to the next one. Thank you so much for watching.